In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable OneDrive Backup in Windows 10. This is a useful skill for those who want more control over what gets stored in the cloud, especially if you're mindful of storage space or are working with limited internet bandwidth. Let's dive right into the process, which is both simple and straightforward. To begin, you'll want to locate the OneDrive cloud icon in your system tray. This is usually found at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. You might need to click on the small arrow to reveal hidden icons. Once you've located the OneDrive icon, go ahead and give it a click. This will bring up the OneDrive menu. Look for a gear icon, which signifies the settings area, and click on it to advance to the next step. Upon clicking the gear icon, you'll open up the settings menu. This step is crucial because it takes you to where all your OneDrive customization options reside. In this settings window, you'll notice several tabs. For today's purpose, focus your attention on the Sync and Backup tab. Click on it to continue. In the Sync and Backup section, there's an option labeled Manage Backup, which is key to customizing your backup settings. Go ahead and click on Manage Backup. This is where you'll see a list of folders currently set up for backup by OneDrive. Initially, you might notice that all folders are checked, indicating they're all slated for backup. Here's where you have the power to customize your settings. Simply uncheck the boxes next to the folders you no longer want to back up. Doing so will stop OneDrive from automatically backing up these folders. This step can be particularly beneficial if you have large files or prefer to keep certain folders local due to reasons like limited storage on OneDrive or internet usage considerations. Once you've unchecked the folders you wish to remove from the backup, look directly beneath the list. There's an option labeled Stop Backup. Click Stop Backup to finalize the process for these selected folders. Completing this step guarantees the chosen folders will be excluded from OneDrive's automatic backup routine. Additionally, for even more control, there's an option available to turn off the automatic saving of photos and screenshots. This can be especially helpful if you often capture screenshots or photos and prefer to manage these files manually rather than relying on OneDrive. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully disabled OneDrive Backup for selected folders in Windows 10. If you ever change your mind and decide to re-enable these backups, you can simply follow these instructions in reverse. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful in managing your OneDrive settings more effectively.